What's going on, guys? Today we are learning Blow by Ed Sheeran, Chris Stapleton, and Bruno Mars. This one is a pretty heavy rock track, so I'm going to teach you how to play it today on both acoustic and electric. I know I don't usually use that on this channel, but this track's just so exciting I had to pull out the electric for it. In this video I'm going to teach you the main riff, and then I'm going to teach you a few chord versions for the chorus and the verses that you can play. So let's get into it with the main riff. Now, one quick note before we start is they actually play this song tuned half a step down. So each of these tuning pegs are tuned down one fret. Now, if you don't know how to do that, don't worry. I'm just going to play the tutorial in standard tuning because honestly it's kind of a pain to tune down. But if you want to play along with the actual song, you're going to need to tune your frets down half a step. A little bit slower, that's so you can see the tab on the screen. If you don't know how to read a tab, the lines represent the strings of the guitar, except the top string here is the bottom line on the tab, and then the numbers tell you which fret you're playing on each string. We're going to start and we're going to play 3 times on the open 6th string, then open 4th, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Then you're going to go back to that open 6th string and play that another 3 times. Then you're going to go 3rd finger on the 5th fret of that string, then 1st finger on the 3rd fret of that string. And then we're going to do that first part one more time. And then open 5th string, 1st finger 1st fret, 2nd finger 2nd fret, open 4th string, back to 2nd finger 2nd fret, 1st finger 1st fret, and then the open string. So then you put that whole thing together and you've got the full riff. And that part's played throughout basically the entire song. So then moving into the verse, you can keep playing that riff, or you can play this here. So all I'm doing there is power chords. So we're gonna start with an E5 power chord, and we're following the same kind of rhythm as the riff itself. So you're gonna start 3 hits of the E5, then switch to a D5, then go back to that E5 3 more times, and then switch to a G5. So again, all together a little slowly. And you can play that or the riff for the entire verse. Then the final part you want to know for this song is the chorus. So in the chorus, we're going to combine the power chords and the riff. So what we're doing for the chorus here is we're starting on a G5 and playing that 8 times. Then moving up to an A5 and playing that 8. Then we're moving up to an A5 and playing that 6 times. Then you play your full main riff again. You know, that full thing, and you work that through. Then you're going to go back to the G5 and the A5 to end the chorus. So all together, that's going to sound like this. And so if you can play that part, then that's the last part you're going to need for the entire song. The song basically just alternates between verse and chorus. I'm not going to go through the solo because that's another video in itself, but I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can play the entire song if you know those parts. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and let me know in the comments below. It really does make a difference. And make sure to subscribe to learn your favorite songs on guitar as fast as humanly possible. See you in the next 5-minute guitar lesson.